Ramogi kama dhi nyime ni piny owacho koro jiwo jopur mondo mi omed pidho kodhi kendo oyar badgi malach. Kata obedo ni koth ma osechwe ok rom chiego cham e yo makare. Jatend piny William Ruto osingo sir ne jopur e kinde oro kod kinde ma koth ng'eny kaka yo mar nyago cham maneno ni jo Kenya oyudo chiemo moromo.
I am asking all our farmers across the country that we are now in the process of facilitating availability of fertilizer in many parts of our country, especially those with short rains. We will also mobilize for fertilizer for the long rains. I want to ask all farmers who had cut back on acreage under food production that the government of Kenya will support them fully in these short rains and in the coming long rains so that we can produce sufficient food to take care of our food requirements as a country.
Ramogi